Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Snapchat, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Snapchat app. Tap your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap Settings at the top right corner. Scroll down and under Support, tap I need help. The Snapchat support will open up. Here, tap My Account and Security. Then, tap Delete My Account. Now, under How to delete your Snapchat account, tap Accounts Portal. Here, type in your password and tap Continue. Your account will be deactivated but can be restored within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. And that's how you delete your account on Snapchat app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.